it's Mandy here. Today I'm here to show you this really cute split panel card that I made. I started off by stamping flowers from the April bullet journaling stamp kit, and I used a piece of square card and I'm using Crayola washable markers. I swiped them onto an acrylic block and I'm using a water brush to pick up the colour. Once that was dried, I split the card into three and I took a piece of mint cardstock and stuck the three different panels on, leaving a little gap in between. Then I took a sentiment from the Cecilia Girls stamp kit and stamped it at the bottom of the card, and then I put it onto a white card base. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!